Feeling a bit rough after the holidays? Let's begin the new year with this non-alcoholic riff on a Moscow Mule. Let's dial back our sugar by adding an optional 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, or just a few drops of stevia 0-calorie sweetener, followed by a 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. After that comes 4 ounces of gingerberry kombucha. Booch. Last but not least, 2 ounces of sparkling water. I feel better already. Fill to the top with ice and garnish with fresh spearmint and a lime wedge. And that's a New Year's resolution. Cheers. We've got work to do.